Many of you who love flowers and some of you who plant some things in their environment, some of you who are into farming, you know, you are into taking care of those flowers, those plants, and you try to water them, expose them to air and sunlight because this is what actually they need to grow. This is what the flowers need to grow, to flourish, and to be very beautiful. And this shows that you are caring for them. But in doing that, if you overwater the plant, you will see that that flower will die. So there is a limit in watering that plant. This is also applicable to human. Inasmuch that we are expected to show care and love to our fellow human, when we go beyond the limit, we are killing that human. And the process of showing care and love to our fellow human, when we cross the limit and boundaries, we are making the person to be useless. We are making the person to be so dependent that when we are not there, the person cannot do that thing for themselves. It is not good for you to do for people what they can do for themselves. Because when you do it, they will not value it. And even if they value it, you are not bringing out the best in them. You are not making them to discover their full potentials. So this message is for you to know that there is limit even when it comes to care and love. Even God, the creator of the universe, cannot do for us what we can do for ourselves. And that is why we have free will. There are some things that God will not do for you. God will not come down and feed you. Will not come down and wash your clothes. The same thing, if you really need those help, He will make sure that help is available. So what I'm trying to let you know is, for the fact that we are meant to take care of each other, love each other, and show care, there should be a limit. When you cross boundary and your limit, you are killing that person slowly. You're making the person to be useless. You're making the person to fail to discover his or her full potentials. The inner ability of the person will die because the person cannot strive. Because it's in the process of striving and struggling that the person can be able to discover his weakness and strengths and build on the strength, and also find a way to cope when it comes to his or her weakness. So think about it. In your marriage and relationship, your working places, there are some certain things you don't need to do for others. Think deep. Don't forget we are always here if you need help. I love you all. You are not alone.